very much, Presiding Judge. And this is a very simple question by way of information to the prosecution. During the Blue Ribbon Committee, a certain Jean Abaya was called as a resource person. As I recall, she was then the operations head of Landbank Shaw and assumed the position of department manager thereafter. I understand, of course, that the prosecution has the right to choose your witnesses. I am simply curious, bakit hindi pinatawag si Ms. Abaya na magtestigo ngayon, samantalang siya yung may personal knowledge ng encashment ng mga cheque na pinag-uusapan?
Your Honor,
The Honorable Chua may respond.
thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, at that time, when this check was in cash, si Ma'am po, ang ating pong testigo, siya po ang branch manager. Hindi po si yung nabanggit po ninyo.
Yes, alam ko na siya yung branch manager, pero yung operations head at that time, si Jean Abaya. As a matter of fact, she was even able to say that the entire amount of the checks was withdrawn each encashment. So, ang lumalabas doon sa House hearing, kung naaalala kong maigi, si Ms. Abaya ang direktang nakipag-deal kay Ms. Acosta, di ba?
Your Honor, kung maririnig po natin yung kanyang salaysay, siya po kasi yung nakikipag-coordinate sa OBP.
Siya
In fact,
nakikipag-coordinate or sino ang direktang nakikipag-usap kay Ms. Abaya, kung ganon? Kay Ms. Acosta, sorry. Hindi ba si Jean Abaya?
Pwede po
Yun ang
akong sumagot.
pagkaintindi ko doon sa House hearing eh.
Pwede po akong sumagot.
Yes, please.
Si Jean Abaya po, siya po yung next in rank nung ako po ay branch
Siya
manager.
yung?
Next
Sorry.
in my rank.
Oo, yeah.
Apo.
Pero siya ba yung direktang nakipag-deal kay Ms. Acosta ng DepEd?
Ako po ang direktang sa OVP po.
Nakakapagtaka lang kung bakit nung House hearing, si Ms. Abaya ang siyang nagsabi ng direktahan na yung entire amount ng cheque was withdrawn each encashment. Hindi po kayo. Ba't nagkaganon?
Your Honor, bali po si Gina Baya po ang naging incumbent manager. Siya po yung pumalit sa akin as branch manager. So at that time, tinanong po nga siya. So since operations manager po siya, aware din po siya sa transaction. Pero natanong din po siya kung sino direktang kumakausap sa cash division
Okay.
staff. So kaya po ako napatawag.
Kayo yung direktang nakipag-usap?
Opo.
Kahit siya ang nag-attest na talagang buong amount ang withdraw. Ganun ba
Aware
yun?
naman po siya sa mga transactions din po sa branch.
Okay, maliban doon, Ms. Constantino, nung House Blue Ribbon, narinig ko, nung tinanong ni Congressman Luistro, sino ang nag-withdraw ng pera at linagay sa mga bag, nung una, sabi niyo, you didn't recall. Matapos noon, medyo may leading question si Congresswoman noon eh. Kasi ang sabi, do you recall Miss Acosta? Do you recall Mr. Ortonio? Bigla ninyong naalala si Miss Acosta at si Mr. Ortonio. Tama ba yun? Ba't nagkaganon? Nung una, hindi ninyo maalala. Pagkatapos noon, naalala na ninyo.
Pwede ko
Ano
po
ba
bang-
talaga ang naaalala ninyo? Para klaro tayo.
Pwede po ba nating balikan po kung yung transcript po talaga? Kasi baka po, mamaya, baka lang po, I'm sorry, may iba pong issue before. Tapos po natanong ako kung bakit ko po kilala yung dalawa. So baka po may iba
Kasi
pa
nung
pong
una,
story up behind.
tinatanong kung nare-recall ninyo, sino naglagay ng pera sa mga bag? Sabi po ninyo na hindi ninyo maalala. Tama ba yun?
Ang pagkakaalala
Kindly
ko po,
wind up.
ang pagkakaalala ko,
Honorable Marcos.
sorry po. Ang pagkakaalala
Sumasagot
ko po, sinagot ko po yon na si
Yes,
Miss
yes.
Gina ang naglagay si Mr. Ortonio. Ang hindi ko po ma-recall kung sino po yung naglabas na ng cash,
Uy, hindi
ng
ko
bags.
tinatanong yon. Hindi yon ang tinutukoy ko. Ang tinutukoy ko, yung pa-iba-ibang sagot. Kasi nung una sabi nyo, hindi ninyo maalala kung sino naglagay ng pera sa bag. Pagkatapos nung binanggit sa inyo, do you recall Miss Acosta, do you recall Mr. Ortonio? Naalala ninyo kung sino naglagay na yung dalawa. Bakit ganon? Yun lang po.
Ang
Kindly wind up,
pagkakaalam,
ma'am.
ang
Considering that Miss Acosta is allegedly the payee, bakit hindi nyo yun naalala kaagad? Doon ako nagtataka.
wala po akong matandaan na sinabi ko, na hindi ko ma-recall po yung naglagay ng pera sa bags. Ang alam ko po, nare-recall ko kung sino po ang naglabas ng bags.
Okay,
Outside the bag.
balikan na lang po natin yung transcript
Sige
doon sa
po.
lower house
Kung pwede
at
po.
baka maipaliwanag ninyo sa amin na maigi. Maraming salamat.
Sige
The
po,
lady may
maraming
avail for round 2 with the permission of Senators Erwin Tulfo, Ontiveros, and Rafi Tulfo. Chair would like to acknowledge Senator Lacson first since it is his first round to ask questions. Thereafter, we will be recognizing in this order Senators Erwin Tulfo, Senator Ontiveros, and Senator Rafi Tulfo for their second round. Senator Lacson may proceed. You have
Thank
2
you,
minutes, sir.
Mr. Presiding Officer. Hindi po ako magtatanong. I will only make a manifestation. I'm only wondering why neither the prosecution nor the defense is presenting a competent witness in the handling of intelligence and confidential fund. Kasi po, in my previous life, sa intelligence, sa law enforcement, ang natatandaan ko, kasi limited yung purpose ng intelligence at saka confidential fund. Nagtataka lang ako, nakita ko yung regularity ng withdrawals ng cash, parang every quarter, except for December, December 20. So sana kung para ma-educate kami, at saka magkaroon kami ng informed decision later on, sana meron tayong competent witness sa pag-handle ng intelligence fund or confidential fund. Para nang sa gano'n naman, ma-appreciate namin at matanong din namin sarili namin, regular ba yung every quarter kasi January, April, tapos July, di ba? Parang regular eh. Ang alam ko, pagka may pangangailangan dahil merong intelligence gathering operation, may confidential activities, saka palang mangangailangan ng pera. So yun lang, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Your Honor.
Defense may also
Maybe-
respond or comment
Yes.
with the prosecution. Thank you.
We will recognize both sides, but recognize first to respond to the inquiry of the manifestation, rather, of Senator Judge Lacson. The Honorable Chua. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we will be presenting our witness, pero hindi po siya yung testigo po pagdating po dyan. In time po, we will be presenting witness or witnesses that will explain yung manner po ng confidential
Kasi
fund.
I asked my staff, wala po sa listahan ng testigo na meron tayong competent witness. So, saan ang galing yung sinasabi nyo may present kayo?
Yung COA po. They will be the
COA
one
is
to-
not a competent witness sa pag-handle ng intelligence and confidential funds.
Meron-
Somebody,
Your Honor, meron po kasi
maybe
kaming reservation.
a retired intelligence officer, somebody like that na maalam mag-handle. Nagtataka lang ako bakit masyadong regular tapos yung una pa, natapat pa na magpapasko.
Yes, Your Honor, may present po kami, pero kung makikita po ninyo dun sa aming pre-trial brief, meron po dong reservation.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Confidential pa daw po. The Honorable Attorney Poa, rather, is recognized for your comment to the manifestation of Senator Lacson.
Thank you,
You may
Mr.
proceed, sir.
Presiding Officer. Same comment actually with the prosecution, Your Honors. Meron din po kasi tayong mga reservations. So we will present when we feel necessary, Your Honors.
Sa ngayon nga, confidential pa din yung witness niya.